My name's Jon Snow. I'm Lord Commander of the Night's Watch.
You're Ned Stark's bastard, aren't you?
A bastard son of a traitor.
When my husband brought that baby home from the war, I couldn't bear to look at him.
I never met my mother.
Diana.
My father wouldn't even tell me her name.
I prayed to the gods. Take him away. Make him die.
He let the wildlings through our gates, as no Lord Commander has ever done before.
You spend too much time with us, Jon Snow. You'd rather burn than kneel. You can never be a kneeler again. Isn't there survival
more important than your pride?
You're a good lad. Truly, you are. It'll get us all killed.
I was with you at Hardhome. We saw what's out there.
Thousands of them.
We know it's coming here.
If we don't take back the North, we'll never be safe.
And the divided North won't stand a chance against the Night King.
I want you to help me.
How can you leave us now?
I'm tired of fighting. I did everything I could, you know.
You swore a vow.
Aye, I pledged my life to the Night's Watch. I gave my life.
For all knights to come.
They killed me, Ed, my own brothers. My watch is ended. I fought, and I lost. I served House Stark once,
So I prayed to all 7 gods.
but House Stark is dead.
Let the boy live.
Kill the boy, Jon Snow.
And he lived.
Kill the boy.
And he lived.
Good.
And let a man live.
Now go fail again.
They think you're some kind of god. The man who returned from the dead. I'm not a god. Now I'm back. Why?
I don't know.
Never forget what you are.
Maybe we'll never know.
The rest of the world will not.
What does it matter? You go on.
Wear it like armor.
You and I won't find much joy while we're here,
You fight for as long as you can.
but we can keep others alive.
You clean up as much of the shit as you can.
We can defend those who can't defend themselves.
I'm the shield that guards the rooms of the...
Maybe we don't need to understand any more than that.
It's time.
Maybe that's enough.
Maybe that's enough.
The long night is coming, and the dead come with it. No clan can stop them. The free folk can't stop them. The Night's Watch can't stop them, and all the Southern Kings can't stop them. Only together. All of us. And even then it may not be enough, but at least we'll give the fuckers a fight.
Because the North is my home. It's part of me, and I will never stop fighting for it, no matter the odds.
Your uncle, Lord Commander Mormont, he chose Jon to be his successor because...
He saw something in Jon, and now we've all seen it too.
Because he spoke for the free folk, when no other Southerners would.
He may be young,
He died for us.
but he's the commander we turned to when the night was darkest.
We need him.
I'm not a Stark.
All those hard sons of bitches chose him as their leader
You are to me.
because they believe in him.
Jon Snow avenged the Red Wedding. He is the White Wolf. The King in the North.
We know no king, but the king in the north whose name is Stark.
You might not have my name,
I don't care if he's a bastard.
but you have my blood.
Ned Stark's blood runs through his veins. He's my king, from this day until his last day.
revenge.
Is Aegon Targaryen. You have to protect him. Promise me, Ned.
He's never been a bastard.
Promise me.
He's the heir to the Iron Throne.
There is only one war that matters. The Great War. And it is here.